I wanted to just give y'all a quick update on what's been going on. So I've been still working on the engine bay, getting it all cleaned up. Gonna take everything off and do some polishing. And then on the frame rails, those have been painted black with the Pour 15. And then I got the tunnel done. So it's all nice and painted. Be ready for installation after I get the rest of it done. The cross member has been cleaned up. I still have another coat to put on that. I got all the suspension parts painted, sandblasted and painted. And then the nuts and bolts, of course. And then the rest of the suspension is up here. That's Pour 15 safety red. I went ahead and painted the center link red because it'll match going down the line. And then by accident, I was working over here. So you're probably going to need this. This is what happens when it sits too long. And I was trimming up this rubber so it was flush, and I accidentally scraped it. So if yours looks like this, all you need is some steel wool and just rub it. Wait for it. Don't get excited. You can also clean up the rubber. So up here we'll have a before and after. Dirty, clean. Rubber looks good. And over here on the other side, you can make these handy dandy buffer wheels. And so after you buff on it, you can see the reflection. It's like a mirror. I have some more sandblasting to do and some more painting to do on miscellaneous parts. These little pieces here. Get those sandblasted, painted. Then we can go back to reassembly, and I'll have a full video when I put the suspension and cross member back together. Thanks for watching.